Students, we will see some concepts. Okay, I will ask some questions. What is this? Which is a point. Point is denoted by capital letters. Just a point denoted. Now take any 2 points like this. Join them. Which is the shortest distance between 2 points? Therefore, which explains line segment. If you extend right side, which is the ray AB. If you extend this ray on backwards, you will get a line. Line has not any end point. If we draw the line like this, which is known as horizontal line. Horizontal line means which is parallel to earth. Which is parallel line to earth. Such type of lines are known as horizontal lines. Therefore, if you draw the horizontal line in this type of plane, this type of plane divided into 2 parts. Above is a part, below is another part. Therefore, line divides the plane into 2 parts, above and below. Now, I am drawing this type of line. Suppose the point as 0. Right side of 0, write positive numbers 1, 2, 3 like this. Left side of 0, we are locating -1, -2, -3 like that. We can show the numbers on line. Such type of line is known as number line. Number line. Therefore, on horizontal line, numbers represented. At 0, I am drawing a vertical line. A vertical line. After drawing this vertical line, this plane divided into 4 parts. This plane divided into 4 parts. Here, intersecting point of horizontal line and vertical line denoting by O. O. This is the point denoted by O. Here, above this line, on vertical line, we may write positive numbers. Below horizontal line, we can write negative numbers, -1, -2, -3, -4 like this. Here, this horizontal line from O to right side denoting as OX. Left hand side of OX by OX dash. Above the horizontal line denoting as OY. Below the horizontal line denoting as OY dash. Here, after drawing horizontal line and vertical line, which is divided into 4 parts, each part is known as quadrants. Quadrant. This is a quadrant. This is a quadrant. This is another quadrant. This is another quadrant. Here, quadrants are denoted in anti-clockwise direction. Therefore, which is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Like this, plane divided into 4 quadrants. A quadrants denoted as like this also. By using Roman numbers also, we can denote. First, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Here this is the plane which is bounded by positive x-axis, positive y-axis. Here we are naming as positive x-axis, means on this axis we are writing only positive numbers. That's why which is positive x-axis, which is known as positive y-axis, because of we are denoting only positive numbers. Therefore which is positive y-axis, which is negative x-axis, which is negative y-axis. Here quadrant 1 is bounded by positive x-axis and positive y-axis. Quadrant 2 is bounded by negative x-axis, positive y-axis. Third quadrant bounded by negative x-axis, negative y-axis. Therefore this is the region third quadrant, which is the fourth quadrant bounded by positive x-axis, negative y-axis. Now up to here learnt about quadrants. Now we will see how we locate the points on these quadrants. Therefore I am drawing like this. Suppose this is positive x-axis, y-axis, origin x dash, y dash. Here which is positive x-axis, according to this which is positive x-axis, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3. Positive y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is -1, -2, -3, -4. Here I want to locate some points in these quadrants. Quadrant 1, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. I want to locate a point. To locate, suppose this is the point is required. Suppose this point be P. Here to write coordinates of x and y, just draw the perpendicular to x-axis. From that point, drawing a perpendicular. Similarly, draw perpendicular from P to y-axis like this, which is also perpendicular. When we draw the perpendicular to x and y-axis, those perpendiculars intersecting at 2 on x-axis, at 2 on y-axis. Therefore, here on x-axis at 2, this perpendicular is intersecting. Similarly, on y-axis at 2, this perpendicular intersecting. Like this we can locate. Suppose here you have a point. Here I want to say about the coordinates of this point. To write the coordinates of this point, I want to draw perpendiculars from that point to x-axis and y-axis. Therefore, which is the perpendicular, which is another perpendicular to y-axis. Here on x-axis, which is intersecting at -2. Therefore, x coordinate is -2. Y coordinate is 3. If you want to locate a point on this quadrant, suppose take this as the point. Draw perpendicular to x-axis. Draw perpendicular to y-axis. Here x-axis intersecting at -3. Therefore, x coordinate is -3. Y coordinate is -2. If you want to locate a point on this quadrant, suppose take a point. Draw perpendicular to x-axis. Draw perpendicular to y-axis. This perpendicular intersecting at x-axis at 2. Therefore x coordinate is 2, y coordinate is -3. Therefore in this quadrant, positive x coordinate, positive y coordinate. Therefore positive x coordinate, positive y coordinate. In this quadrant we have negative x coordinate, positive y coordinate. In this quadrant, negative x coordinate, negative y coordinate will exist. In this quadrant, positive x coordinate, negative y coordinates will exist. Therefore, like this we can locate points on coordinate plane.